Your sales content probably lives in SharePoint, but can your reps access the right content in seconds, right in front of a customer? Introducing Showcase Workshop. All your sales content, videos, PDFs, product information, and tools brought together in one seamless sales presentation inside a branded app your team can use on any device. Everything at your fingertips. No outdated decks, no off-brand presentations built on the fly. Marketing controls the content. Updates reach every rep in seconds. One consistent sales story delivered by every rep. Sales always has the latest version available online or offline. See exactly what your reps present, for how long, and who they share it with, so you know what's working and can coach and follow up more effectively. No developers, no specialists, no complex setup. You can be live in under 48 hours. Plans start from just $149 per month for small teams. Start your free 14-day trial at showcaseworkshop.com. Showcase Workshop. Create, present, sell like never before.